Hello everyone, my name is Lu Shujie. I'm studying at Hebei North University of Agriculture Informatization. I'm glad to have the opportunity to introduce this research work. The title of my paper is Identity Authentication Protocols for Greenhouse Environmental Monitoring System based on Internet of Things. I will introduce it from the following 5 parts. Number 1, Introduction. Number 2, Research background. Number 3, Research objectives. Number 4, Research method. Number 5, Experiments and conclusions. Introduction. A greenhouse environment monitoring system designed based on the Internet of Things technology is necessary to implement a security policy that implements two-way identity authentication between a user's smart app and IoT node devices such as sensors, controllers, etc., to ensure safety. Therefore, we designed a two-way authentication strategy using easy encryption, an algorithm, and cloud-server assistance. Experiments prove that the strategy can meet the requirements of two-way identity authentication between the user's smartphone app and the IoT node device with lower resources requirements. Research background. The greenhouse environment monitoring system designed using the Internet of Things technology is shown in figure. It can realize functions such as automatic collection, storage, analysis, early warning, and remote intervention of greenhouse internal environmental parameters such as light, temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide. According to a Gartner survey, nearly 20% of units and departments worldwide have suffered IoT attacks in recent years. Considering that the IoT gateway enters the normal working state, the smartphone terminal can directly establish a communication link with the gateway and send data, querying commands, and environmental intervention commands such as remote control of fans, wet curtain, cooling control, etc. Before establishing a link between the IoT gateway and the user's smart terminal, it's necessary to verify the identity and negotiate the session key to meet the requirements of user control command information not being impersonated, tempered, and replayed. Research method. Research objectives. Non-easy encryption algorithm is used to design a solution that implements the two-way authentication and the key negotiation between the mobile app and the system IoT gateway device with the assistance of the system cloud authentication serve CES. Number 1, research on distributed bidirectional authentication architecture based on edge computing and cloud-served assistance. Number 2, study the characteristic security requirements of agriculture Internet of Things system and establish the Agriculture Internet of Things security demand analysis model. Number 3, research on the lightweight identity authentication and key negotiation algorithm based on EC algorithm and cloud serve. Research method. Basic theory. Attacker model. In this article, we assume that the attacker has the following capabilities. Number 1, the attacker can obtain all the information in the public transmission channel and can modify, reply, and forge any new information to transmit to the receiver. Number 2, the attacker can know the user names of all users in this communication system and the device ID of the IoT gateway. Number 3, the attacker can act as a legitimate user in the system. Number 4, the attacker can establish a physical link with any gateway in the system through Wi-Fi. We use EC encryption algorithm as follows. The flowchart. We use function 3 to 8 to decrypt the operation to obtain certificate A and compares it with the information in certificate A1 received by the server. If they match, authentication succeed. Both parties use the key K for subsequent communication. Experiments. 1. Construct experimental task platform. Number 2, the system serve group uses a fixed IP 10 MP optical fiber dedicated line to access the internet. Number 3, the mobile phone with Android system is used as a slide platform. The STM32F412 low-power CPU with a Cortex M4 core operating at 100 MHz is used to build an IoT gateway to implement the user authentication protocol designed in this paper. conclusions. In the experiment based on the attack model, a computing resources exhausted DDoS attack was launched on the IoT gateway. The results show that the solution has higher security, consumes less resources, has less impact on the gateway's core business communications, and run the gateway more stably. Thank you for listening. My email is 366588863@qq.com. Please mail me if you have any questions. My WeChat is story62. You can contact me with WeChat. That's all. Thank you.